Hey guys, let me give you a recap of our trip to Gardens by the Bay, Singapore. All the sights there were really breathtaking. Like there were so many plants and flowers and it just uplifted my mood. As you can see, this is a waterfall with a lot of plants. It was really nice standing there. Here comes the flower dome. It was really nice. This is the tulip garden. It was like so nice. These were the outdoors and you had really nice views of the Marina Bay sands. This is a Supertree grove. We went there for the night show and it was splendid. Hope you liked the video. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.